just 4 short days away from the Armada FC's first ever regular season match in the North American Soccer League.
This Saturday, we have the opportunity to show everyone that the passion for soccer here in Jacksonville is real.
We've got 4 days to set the record, and we encourage everyone to go to settherecordjacks.com, register, pick up your tickets and come out and support the match.
There you go, guys. Your Jacksonville Armada.
I am ready for Saturday. I've been ready a long time, ready to play that first match that really matters and to see these guys come out here and play great against our first opponent.
My emotions are really energetic, and I'm absolutely excited to be ready as an individual, but also to make sure that every teammate knows what it takes.
Okay, now show you. Thank you.
The adrenaline is running high, but right now I'm calm. I'm confident that we're going to have a good game. This is one of the happiest moments of my life, to be able to be part of something so special and to be leading a group of guys that are so happy to be in the city of Jacksonville and represent the city the best way that we can.
Sobre todo, aparte de prepararme mucho tiempo, el hecho de que la respuesta del equipo, ¿no? Esa preparación hay que agradecer porque ha sido una preparación intensa.
It's 10 games we've got to win a championship, yeah? So psychologically now, you should be getting prepared for the last game of the season, being able to celebrate in that last game, because we're going into the first game solid.
Y nosotros se lo decimos durante la semana. La importancia que tiene este partido para ellos, para nosotros, para la institución, para los hinchas y para la ciudad. Es el partido inaugural, es el partido que yo creo que la ciudad de Jacksonville estaba esperando.
¡Una, dos, tres! ¡Vamos!
We built the tradition, the very first game that we did in pre-season, of the toss with our owner, and we're going to do the same every single match that we play home. Hopefully we have Mark joining us and supporting us, okay?
I'm overwhelmed with feelings and emotion, and I just want to let you guys know how proud this city is of you already. To you all, to 3 points, to setting the tone, to a winning culture, to the blue, to the gold, to the Armada, to victory, to you all. All right, kick some ass.
We have a terrific soccer team. The guys are great. We have a terrific front office. We've done everything right. I would expect a huge crowd tomorrow, and we're just truly excited to be representing Jacksonville in the NASL, and we want to go out there and play some soccer.
Let's go out there and be happy. Be happy doing what we love to do and what we work so hard to accomplish, yeah? But a lot of people wish they were here today. It's us. Let's take advantage of that, yeah? Let's go out there.
Armada launch into their first season in the NASL, looking for an attendance record and looking to serve notice to the league that they are a force to be reckoned with in their first season in the league. And right out of the gate, there it is! You couldn't script it any better. Jamal Johnson scoring from distance. Across, a header, Flores, it's 3-0. $16,164 come to watch the Armada in their debut. That's a new NASL record.
Big ups to all y'all. Congrats. Thanks so much. You did us proud. You did us proud. And you guys have a great night. And we'll do it again next week. Huh?